So I used to live toxic, like completely toxic, from detergents to household cleaners. And then I just got tired of it. And that happens when I became a mom. Everyone in my house has super sensitive skin, so that means that I needed to find toxic-free products for my household. Everything that I was buying that would claim to be eco-friendly or toxic-free wasn't really getting the job done. It will either leave residue, streaks, or just did not smell good, and I was very disappointed. This is when I came across a Truly Free ad on Instagram, and everyone on there really had positive reviews, positive feedback, so I was so eager to try it. I love the simplicity of ordering Truly Free products. Not only are they delivered right to your doorstep, but they provide you with reusable bottles and the refillable detergents and liquids for all of your bottles. Truly Free has a product for every area in your house. I am using here the bathroom cleaner and glass cleaner, which leave absolutely no streaks, no residues. So going toxic free isn't as complicated as it should be. I mean, you can start with your regular detergent, your hand soap, or liquid detergent that goes into the dishwasher that goes unnoticed most of the time. But I promise you, you won't regret this decision once you start it. We couldn't be happier to know that we are no longer breathing in those harmful chemicals in our everyday life. Our family is overjoyed with Truly Free.